My freshman year, I was so confused, so lost. I was like, what do I do? Where do I go? Everyone seemed so like put together. They knew what they were doing. And I realized how little I speak English. I'm fluent, but like not really. You know what I mean? Like there's words that just don't translate. Because I'm so much more funnier in Spanish. Like I need someone to speak Spanish to. I need to be able to like make jokes and just sometimes it's a little pero like and people are like, what? And it's just my brain got so fried from speaking English the whole day. And the best I could do was find friends from like Central America who spoke Spanish, who understood a little bit of the foods, and gallo pinto, which is the most polemic thing in Central America, I feel, because every country thinks theirs is better, and it's just rice and beans. I think mine is better, but we know that's that's up to whoever wants to debate with me about. I had to create my own community at NYU. Finding community, finding people who made me feel more comfortable, got me a little bit out of my shell. And once I knew that there was a safe space to go back to, I was able to just put myself out there. And then I've been a college leader for 3 years now, and I've always like enjoyed just giving back to like the freshmen because it was definitely a very scary year for me.